I'm going to quit my job. Why? The people who work in your office are nice. The job which you do is inspiring. And the salary you get is not bad at all. Aha! You are right. I'll stay. Hi everyone! Welcome to SandJ English. We are going to talk about relative clauses again today and use relative pronouns who, which, and that we studied in our first lesson. Last time we connected two sentences using relative pronouns. The relative clause follows the main clause and provides information about the object of the main clause. For example, I have a sister. She is a model. I have a sister who is a model. Today we will talk about the so-called embedded clauses. An embedded clause provides information about the subject of the main sentence. We have a simple sentence. My good friend is a lawyer. Now, I want to provide more information about the subject, my good friend. I want to add that my good friend graduated from Oxford. We place this information after the subject of the main clause using who or that. My good friend, who graduated from Oxford, is a lawyer. Here's another example. The doctor took my blood pressure. I want to add that the doctor was very kind. The doctor, who was very kind, took my blood pressure. Notice that the subject of our two original sentences is the same, the doctor. Once we connect these sentences, the subject disappears in the embedded clause. Embedded clause can be marked by commas, but doesn't have to. Right, okay. I'll give her your message. Bye. Sasha, he said he was waiting for you by the bridge. What are you talking about? Who is he? Oh, I'm not sure. The man who called didn't give his name. He said he was waiting for you by the bridge. Who is he? Oh, I'm not sure. The man who called didn't give his name. Now we will look at one more pattern. We want to provide more information about the subject of the main clause by connecting two sentences again. The girl is from Paris. I met her in school. In this case, the subjects of our two sentences are different, the girl and I. In such a case, we need to keep the subject of embedded clause even after connecting them. The girl who I met in school is from Paris. We can, but we don't have to use a relative pronoun in this case. The girl I met in school is from Paris. Look at another example. The car was made in Japan. We bought it last Sunday. The car, which we bought last Sunday, was made in Japan. Or, the car we bought last Sunday was made in Japan. Did you get it? Let's check your understanding. I have an activity for you. We will make one sentence from two. Pay attention to the subjects. Are they the same or different? Let's practice. Example. The girl was wearing a red dress. She opened the door. Let's connect them. The girl who opened the door was wearing a red dress. It's your turn. 1. The police officer stopped our car. He wasn't friendly. The police officer, who wasn't friendly, stopped our car. 2. My hat is very expensive. It was made in Italy. My hat, which was made in Italy, is very expensive. 3. This book is a bestseller. We are reading it at the moment. This book, which we are reading at the moment, is a bestseller. Or, this book we are reading at the moment is a bestseller. Good practice, everyone! Don't forget to check our first lesson on relative clauses. And lesson 3 is coming soon. See you! Thanks for watching, everyone! Are you ready for some more practice?